Hello friends, once again welcome back. So today's topic of number system is ascending order. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means arranging different numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay? So today we are going to learn the important topic of number system ascending order or arranging number from smallest to greatest. और सबसे छोटा देन उससे बड़ा सबसे बड़ा smallest to biggest. So let's begin with a simple example where few numbers are given, right? When numbers are given, we need to see their values, we need to see their places, we need to compare, and accordingly we will arrange. So few numbers are given. Let's read out. First number is 73,129, 98,142, 62,345. Last but not the least, 81,947. Now, hopefully, it has become easier for you to read the values of number. You can read the number name, you can write the numbering because we have understood their places with the help of Indian system of numeration. तो अभी क्या करना है? Simple. 4 numbers are given. कहाँ से क्या करना है? सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? The smallest one. तो कैसे पता लगेगा? By reading their values. Okay, so let's see. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. What I'm doing, I'm mentioning their places, okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Same here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. By all the numbers have 5 digits and the greatest place in every number is 10,000. आप देख सकते हैं हर नंबर का सबसे बड़ा प्लेस है 10,000 बिकॉज रीडिंग कहां से स्टार्ट होती है लेफ्ट टू राइट 73,000, 98,000, 62,000 एंड 81,000. रीडिंग जहां से करेंगे वहीं से वैल्यूज को भी कंपेयर करेंगे. नाउ here at 10,000 place you have 7, here it is 9, here it is 6, here it is 8. तो 7, 9, 6 और 8 सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? You can easily identify this will come first क्योंकि smallest number सबसे पहले आएगा. Where? In ascending order. What is ascending? Smallest to greatest. तो लिख दिया जाए सबसे पहले. We have 62,345. This is the smallest. तो अब इससे बड़ा कौन सा है? Which is bigger than this number? After 6, which is the smallest? अब इसको हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं because we have already taken this number. Now you are left with 1, 2 and 3 number. इसमें से which one is the smallest? 7, 9 or 8? 7. That is 73,129. This will also cut because we have already taken. Now between these two numbers, this is the smallest, right? And the 98,142 will be the greatest. कर दिया हमने arrange, है ना easy? Smallest to greatest is called the ascending order. And here only I am going to explain descending as well. अब ascending में smallest to greatest है. So what will come in descending? Greatest to smallest. Easy. Nothing different. Nothing difficult. So what will be descending? चलो सिखा देते हैं इसको भी यहाँ पर ना. What is descending order? Descending says greatest to smallest. ठीक है? Greatest to smallest. कर दे इसको भी. So which is the greatest among these numbers? This is the greatest. तो चलिए let's write it. Greatest will come first, then greater, then this is bigger than this 73,129 and this is greater than this. हो गया सिंपल, कुछ भी नहीं है. Only you need to remember that when you are arranging numbers in ascending, The smallest one will come first, then bigger, then smaller, then bigger, and the biggest. And when you are writing in descending order, biggest, then smaller, and in last it will be the smallest number. ठीक है, छोटे से बड़ा, बड़े से छोटा, simple rule. So descending says greatest to smallest, and ascending says smallest to greatest. So that's it for today's session of ascending descending. To learn more and more about it, to remember this concept for longer term, क्या करना है? कुछ नहीं करना है, just do only 4 questions. Okay, take out your book of maths. This is chapter 1 and take out this topic ascending and descending. और ज्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 4 questions, more than enough. रोज के 20 मिनट आपकी मैथ्स को बनाते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग, जैसे बॉर्नविटा मिल्क आपकी बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है. ठीक है, सो मैथ्स नीड ओनली दैट काइंड ऑफ energy, and that energy you will get from practice only. So if you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and please get ready for the next session where we are going to learn the next topic. Till the time, bye.